Hey guys, welcome to my channel. What we're trying to do here is to try to understand HTTP 1.1, which was introduced in 1999, and currently we have something called HTTP 2, which is a serious upgrade over the current HTTP 1 standard, which is much more secure. But firstly, as our the way that we want to deal with it, with understanding the entire reason for HTTP 2 is that we need to understand the problem that HTTP 1 had created, which required some kind of upgrade that we are now trying to move to HTTP 2. Just keep in mind that HTTP 2 is not a standard that's not followed very often yet right now, because what typically clients do, by clients basically whatever the servers that are there, what they do is they put a middleware kind of an architecture. You can say they what they do is they translate this HTTP 1 to HTTP 2, or what happens is they downgrade the HTTP 2 connection to HTTP 1, and they start using the HTTP 1 connection on the backend servers. But the request that comes in to the listener of this particular request, which could be an Nginx server, right? So it gets the request in form of HTTP 2, but it eventually downgrades it to HTTP 1. And it's a very fair common practice that is being used. In fact, very in fact Bitbucket Atlassian uses it, and there were certain number of flaws, security vulnerabilities that were found out when downgrading these issues, which have been discussed in a few conferences in Black Hat. But yeah, so our primary agenda is to understand what is HTTP 1.1, and then we proceed to what's the what is the creamy layer that is being offered, which is part of HTTP 2. So yeah, that's that. You can follow the series where, and we'll keep progressing ourselves to become a better engineer.